Imphal West DC Rajkumar Mayanglambam formally handed over the newly constructed press colony wall fence and drains at Lumphalpa to the All Manipur Working Journalists Union Amwju today. The project was constructed under the MP Local Area Development Fund of Lok Sabha MP Dr. Amwju. Addressing the gathering, DC Rajkumar praised the initiative, calling it a significant step for journalists' welfare. He further highlighted the ongoing efforts to initiate the Imphal Ring project, stating that 10% of required lane measurements have been completed. Rajkumar said that the district administration is also working on evicting encroachments on government lanes, while informing that eviction related to expansion of National Highway No. 2 is put on hold after Manipur High Court issued a stay order. Rajkumar also commented on using public spaces for conducting private events, including marriage, stating that the district administration does not allow such activities. On the other hand, Amwju President Asim Bhakta expressed gratitude to MP Dr. Amwju for constructing the press colony fencing and drainage system without hesitation when the union approached him. He added that the construction of the press colony will start soon. The function was also attended by Editors Guild Manipur President Kogendra Khondram, Secretary Yumnam Rupachandra, Amwju Advisor Retired IAS Officer R.K. Nimai and Amwju Executive Members.
Honorable MP Inergi Sir Bimol gi through the Sir gi local area fund gi makada DRDA Imphal West District Administration Imphal West na implement tawjaba sigum laba Amwju gi boundary wall fencing and then drain sigi portion singsi masi handing over gi part ama oina chamna Amwju gi President and other members makai da bai samak laksaduna hand over tawjabani tung tarak padasu Amwju ga district administration ga su punna kucham naraga chatminare hairaga any other atopa developmental work kucham naraga paikat minaba yana nabagi maikerom da koi kong thangminabagi step tuni haibdoi thamjage.